Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name's Janelle and I upload new videos every Wednesday. In today's video, I am so excited. We are going to be doing a unboxing and a first impressions of the TATI Beauty makeup palette. I literally have been waiting all day for this to come in the mail. Like, I was constantly checking text updates to see when it was delivered, and it was finally delivered now at 4 o'clock. So we're gonna dive right in. I know you guys have already seen probably a ton of videos on this, but I still wanted to give my authentic first impression just because I will always be blunt and honest with you guys. I'm not biased or anything. I'll give you my honest opinion. So I'm super excited to be trying this out. Without any more rambling, let's get into this first impression / unboxing and all of that. Alright, so let's get this bad boy open. Maybe I can use my eyelash scissors. That's sanitary. This is like Christmas morning. When you open it up, you see Tati's beautiful face. So excited right now. So sleek, so cute. So I really love the finish of it. So I'm sure you guys have already seen. It says TATI Beauty on the front. TATI Beauty. Some pretty foiled lettering there. Are you guys ready? I don't think I'm ready to see it. I'm so excited. Oh my god. So flipping stunning. It's even more beautiful in person. Oh my god, these glitters are so pretty I could cry. I need to chill out. The color story is just absolutely beautiful. So I don't think I'm going to swatch every single color for you guys because, like I said, I'm pretty sure you guys have already seen a ton of reviews and videos, but I did want to do at least like a first impressions. First of all, can we talk about this mirror? Like, hello. I have been following TATI for the longest. I trust her. I trust her reviews. Whatever she recommends, I love. So I do have really high expectations for this palette just because she's normally so critical on other products that I expect her to be super critical with her own. So I do expect this to perform absolutely perfectly. So I'm excited to get started. She has 4 rows of all different finishes. So we have our glitters up here, our metallic, our sequin, and the matte. So I'll swatch like one color from each row just so that you guys have an idea. This gold is calling my name here. This is in the Soothe Glitter color. So it's like a pressed glitter. Normally when I swatch glitters like this, I expect them to like almost be patchy and like, I don't know, not go on like a super smooth swatch. It's almost like there's like a glitter glue built into this. So that is absolutely stunning. I definitely want to play with this color today. Let's swatch one of the metallic colors. This dark blue, like gray is calling my name. So I'm gonna swatch that one. So there's this one. This is one of the metallic colors. Such a smooth, even swatch. Try one of the sequin colors. For the sequin one, I want to swatch the Story sequin, which is this orange one right here. These are so smooth. Like, I really wasn't expecting that, and I promise you guys I'm not exaggerating. I'm like super critical when it comes to makeup too. So pretty. And this has like built-in it's like almost like a matte color with built-in glitter flecks. So that's really pretty. I think if you dust it out, you could still use it as a crease color or an all-over lid color. Let's swatch the black color because I feel like matte black colors are really hard to get good. Like, they can be super patchy. So let's see how that one goes. I could cry. Why are these so good? I sound so biased, but these really are so good. That's insane. That's like a second swatch not dipping back in. Just so even and pigmented. This is insane. And sorry it's so like gloomy and dark back there. It just got like, it looks like it's about to rain, so it's just not giving off the happy vibes that I'm feeling right now. So I already did my brows like 6 hours ago when I expected this palette to come in the mail. And now I'm just gonna quickly prime my eyelids with some concealer. This is not concealer, this is lipstick. Okay, so now I'm going to prime my eyelids with my Morphe concealer. I'll do one side with my concealer, one side with my P. Louise eyeshadow base, just to see if there's a difference on how the shadows go on depending on like an actual eyeshadow base versus a concealer. So this palette also feels like really good quality. It's super heavy and just nice and sleek. I'm really happy because I thought this palette didn't come with a matte all over like light cream color, but it does. So that automatically it makes me like it so much more. I love it when palettes come with like a cream matte all over lid shade. I love it when they come with a good black and like a good transition color. So off the bat, that just sells me on it. So I'm gonna start by taking this color and setting my entire eyelid with it. For today's look, I want to do like a kind of like champagne, almost like a Christmas eye, because for some reason I'm just already in full-on Christmas mode. So I'm going to start off by applying the color, the matte Soothe shade here. And I'm going to be taking that with my Morphe JH31 brush. So from other reviews that I saw, they did mention that there was a lot of kickback, and there is. I barely tapped into that product, and you can already see kind of moved around. That honestly never bothers me as long as the color is pigmented and blends really nice. I don't care if it's like that. I almost rather it be like that because when it's too hard or dense in there, it normally doesn't give enough color payoff. But if that bothers you, just something to keep in mind. So far that blended out with no issues. I'm going to deepen it up a little bit more, just dipping back into the same color. It's crazy. So I just went back in with a little bit more product, and you can see how much more pigmented that made it. So many good eyeshadow palettes have come out lately that it's been so hard for me to decide what palettes are worth getting and what I should invest my money in. I really also wanted to try the Shane Dawson Conspiracy palette, but these just came out at the same time, and I really wanted to get that palette, but I was like, okay, let me not get a million palettes and then not really use any of them because I just have so many. And I also really wanted to get the Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. That palette looked beautiful, but shortly before that I had already gotten the Jeffree Star palette, and I was like, okay, that already has a lot of similar tones, so it's just been so hard deciding what to get. Carly Babel palette was another palette I was interested in. I did end up purchasing her Il Makiage lipsticks a lot later than when they launched. I got the nude color, and I also have the red one that just came in the mail right now in this box right here, which I might actually use the red lip in this video. Oh, there was a gorgeous palette by Makeup Revolution that kind of reminded me of the glitters and stuff in here, or at least from what I had seen online. It had beautiful pressed glitters and like almost like cream eyeshadows. I was so close to purchasing it yesterday. It was only 15 bucks. But I was like, you know what, let me wait to play with my TATI palette, because if they end up having similar colors, then it's just like not worth it. What is exciting about all these launches too is that I have been like excited for makeup again. Alright, so with my Morphe M433 brush, the matte color Ritual, it's like the perfect chocolate brown color. These colors are very pigmented. Do wish there was kind of like a neutral brown in between these colors. The next transition that you could put in between would be like Story, but I wish that there was something in like the more neutral family that was kind of in between these two colors. That's just my opinion. I guess I could also just dip into both and kind of create my own middle transition. So far that's blending pretty nice. It kind of just looks like smoke. I'm gonna go back in with that first blending brush and no extra product, and just soften the edges some more. Perfect. So both of those blended out beautifully. I think I want to cut my crease today. I'm going to be using the P. Louise eyeshadow base. This I'll use for both sides just to make it easy. Before I go into the lid shade, I'm going to take the black color in the palette and then just put that in the outer corner. So I'm just going to kind of stamp the product there first, and then I'll go back in with my Morphe M433, the brush that has that dark brown, and then just kind of blend the edges. So for all over my lid, I'm going to do one side with my finger, one side with a brush. I'm going to take the shade, the Soothe Glitter. No, this one, Soothe Glitter. This has been like the type of glitter that I'm looking for. It's like a soft white gold, just on the front part. So flipping pretty. Okay, so that just applied beautifully and so easy. And then I'm gonna take the color Ritual here, put that kind of blended into the crease color. Why are these so pretty? Then I'm gonna take the brush that has a little bit of that leftover dark brown and just kind of graze the edges. It's kind of insane how pigmented these are. Holy crap, and just how easy. That was like the easiest glitter I've ever worked with in my life. I'm gonna take my JH41 brush. Oh, it actually isn't applying bad with a brush. A lot less smooth though. Like I feel like it doesn't keep the glitter nice and compact and together as your finger does. But I feel like with the brush it will allow you to kind of shear it out and not wear it as intense. I do have to keep dipping back in with the brush, whereas with my finger I just did one sweep and it was there. I'm also getting a little bit more fallout. And then with the other side of that same brush, I'm gonna dip into the Ritual Glitter shade. Alright, I like my finger, so I'm just gonna go back over with my finger. Just because it applies it so much easier. I'm gonna blend the edges again with that same M433 and whatever dark brown is left on it. Alright, so I'm now just gonna clean up the edges. Then I'm gonna wipe off my brush that has glitter on it. And I'm gonna take the shade, the Aura metallic color here, and I'm gonna use that to highlight my inner corner and right underneath of my eye. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and do my face makeup off camera, and then I'll come back and do my lower lash line and all that. Before I do that though, let's get another close-up of the eyes. So pretty. Alright, so I applied all of my face makeup and lashes, and I did a slight wing liner using my Physicians Formula eye pen. And so far, I am really loving the eyes. Everything just is blended really seamless, besides this side. This side I feel like is looking a little bit weird on the end here, but I think that is honestly my fault. For the lower lash line, I'm going to take the color Ritual and put that on the outer portion. You guys, this mirror is no joke. I don't think I wanted something that dark. But now we're here. Then I'm going to take the color Soothe and put that kind of in the middle of my eye here. And then blend it underneath of the darker corner we place out here for color. For the front part of my lower lash line, I'm going to take the same shimmer that we applied all over our lid. This is the Soothe Glitter. Taking that with a small brush, I'm going to see how that applies right in here. And I'm blending it upward. So again, flipping my brush upside down. I'm just going to those outer lower lash line colors. Going back in with that same pencil brush, I'm just going to buff out the edges underneath of the glitter. And then I'm going to wipe off that same tiny brush we just used to apply the glitter. Dip back into the Aura metallic color here. And I'm just going to re-highlight my inner corner underneath on my lower lash line. And I'll also touch up it up top here. and then just kind of blend it into the glitter. I'm gonna apply my Flower Beauty Lash Warrior mascara. All right, let's also break into my Il Makiage lip kit. So I already ordered the nude lip color. So I went ahead and I went back and I ordered the nude lip pencil that comes with the nude lipstick in the Carly Bybel Il Makiage collection. And then I also ordered the red lip kit where you get the red lipstick and lip pencil. So it's a kit like this. I got it for $32. It was on sale. And again, you get the full size $15 lip pencil and then the full size $18 lipstick. Lining my lips with the red lip pencil in Ablaze. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, this is 1000% one of the most gorgeous reds I have ever seen in my life. It's a matte finish, still super creamy and comfortable on the lips. So I will definitely be grabbing for this a ton. Like this look right here, it's holiday. Christmas in a makeup look. I can't. I'm like baffled. All of this stuff was not supposed to be this good. What is going on? All right, you guys, so this is the finished look using the TATI eyeshadow palette. So now let's review my thoughts. Now, before I tell you guys my thoughts, I just want to let you guys know this is 100% not biased in any way, shape, or form. Push aside the fact that I love Tati and I've been supporting her from the beginning. This palette is absolutely beautiful. It applied so nice. It blends seamlessly. The glitters applied beautifully. I cannot wait to play with the rest of these tones. Like, I feel like this will be perfect for more glamorous looks. I can create everyday looks with these. I definitely do want to play with like more of the softer satin tones and not the glitters, because I feel like so many people are doing glitter looks. So I will be playing with this palette more and giving you guys more and more feedback. But as of right now, I'm obsessed. At $48, you definitely get your money's worth. Especially considering that like the Anastasia palettes are $42 and the difference in like size, quantity, and all that, like this is definitely a good buy. But anyways, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did happen to like it, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Definitely don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every Wednesday when I upload. I seriously love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.